Hey guys, Brad here. This will be my 10th Kickstarter project, so I just want to say thank you all for the support. And to kick it off, I figured we'd go kind of big. I guess this is kind of small. So this project is a utility knife style keychain. Did you see that? It just sucked in. So it's got magnetic retraction and retention. So the blade will never come out on your keychain. You can swing it around, do what you need. It's not going to come off. It's a 1/2 inch thickness this way, 1/4 inch thick this way. These marks are not just grip, they are 1/8 inch increments, and on this side is 1 centimeter increments. So it's similar to my WTF and my TK-TUKK and a few other things where I put notches in there. I chose, this is just a number 11 X-Acto blade, so you can buy it anywhere. One cool thing is it says USA on the blade. This is totally prototype. I already forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, I chose for the blade not to come all the way out for a couple reasons. One, it comes out a 1/2 inch only, and I did that. I'm gonna have to edit this video because who needs the whole inch of blade? Also, this makes it stronger, so you can, really push on something. What else should I say? It's got a huge lanyard loop, so it'll fit all keychains, and it's designed in this shape so that way it can come up and around when it's on your keys, and when you want to go use it, you can put it up here, pull your keys up, and then you can use your keys as part of the handle, and then you can, do your cutting. At certain angles, like upside down, the blade will stay out. There's like an exact magnetic force going on there, but you turn it like that and it sucks in. It's mostly a safety feature that this doesn't lock out. So if you're going to use it, you pretty much got to keep your thumb there, which isn't a big deal. I mean, it cuts good. I don't know why I got this out, because it's too far away. What else? I just got a little grip here. It's kind of neat. This could change a little bit. We'll see how that goes. It'll probably be chamfered a little more. This is literally the first one I made on my Tormach mill. These will be made on my Robo drill mill. If any of you follow me on Instagram or YouTube, you can see that. So I think this is pretty much the first Kickstarter video well, this will be the 10th project, so on the other 9 that I've actually sat down and talked to you guys. I'm probably going to make a short page, just a couple pictures, maybe a GIF, doing that, or GIF, whatever it's called. Yeah, it's going to be simple. It's, we'll talk about it, get some anodizing going on. What else could we do? Oh, this is a brass button, and it's brass for the main reason is titanium on titanium can gall, so it could stick, whereas brass is kind of lubricated. We might end up going to bronze here, like a bearing bronze or something. Maybe you guys have a good idea for that. But brass, as you can see, works just fine. And it's got my logo. Everybody's been wanting my logo engraved, so we got that. Don't mind that. So my logo. I don't know, guys. This is perfect. This is the first prototype I've made, and it works. I can't believe it. It's not all pretty, fancy, anodized up, but you guys know me. We'll do that during the project, and hope it'll be a lot of fun. So there it is, guys. Thanks for coming along for the journey. Let's talk in the comments. All right, guys. Have a good one.